Namaste, welcome back to Ankinish Creation. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing how I painted these two small magnetic canvases, one in dot painting style, not dot mandal, just dot painting, and another I'm doing mandala art on it using some paint markers, paint, etc. So both the paintings are super simple. You can try them on big canvases, small canvases, or this kind of magnetic canvas as I have done. So let's get started with this video. So these are the magnetic canvases which I'm going to use. Let's start with the dot painting first. So for the base of this one, I'm going to be using this teal color and I'm going to apply a layer of this beautiful color on top of my canvas. Once this paint has dried, I'm going to draw a simple lotus design on top of this using pencil and I'm struggling to draw this design evenly on both the sides. Now once I'm done with my drawing, I'm going to be using this pastel pink acrylic paint and I'm going to apply a coat of this color inside the lotus design I have drawn, and then I'll be using different shades of pink, red acrylic paints to fill my lotus design with some dots. So enjoy this process. And after finishing filling up the lotus with all the dots, I'm using my Sakura Jelly Roll Moonlight black pen and I'm giving a border to the lotus so that all the petals and leaves are separated. And this is how the lotus looks right now. Now to give it a finishing touch, I'm using my dotting tool and gold acrylic paint and give a dotted border outside of it. And this is how it looks at the end. It looks so pretty and simple yet colorful. I hope you all liked it as well. Now moving on to the next one where we'll be doing a mandal art. So for that I'm using this bright orange acrylic paint to give a base for my magnetic canvas, and after giving a base and letting it dry, I'm going to draw some circles using the compass and different circular things which I had like ruler and other things to make circles inside this canvas. And once I'm done drawing all the circles, I'm going to be using my paint marker blue color first to fill up some parts of the circles and to give a colorful background for my mandal art. After this golden dot, I'm going to be using my Sakura Jelly Roll Black Moonlight pen and I'm starting to make my mandal design on top of this colorful background, obviously once the background color has dried completely. And yeah, so now enjoy the process of me drawing the mandal designs. Next I'll be using white Sakura Jelly Roll pen to give some white design or filling into some of the designs I have drawn here. So this is a simple way to make a mandal art with different colors, having a colorful background. It is a very simple process, but after completing the design, it does look complicated and very detailed, but don't get intimidated by seeing a complete result of any mandal art. Just start with the process and you will see that you'll be able to achieve the detailed artwork yourself. Lastly, I'm giving a golden border to this mandal art with my gold paint marker, and then we'll be done with this magnetic canvas as well. And this is the final look, how it looks like. It looks so colorful and like detailed, as I said earlier. I hope you like this design as well. So that's it for this video. I really hope you all liked this two small painting ideas, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. As usual, I love to read and reply to your comments, and hit that like button if you like this video. That really helps me know if you liked it or not, and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's reach to 35,000 subscribers as soon as possible, and I'll see you soon with a new video. Bye. Love being creative. Bye bye.